Welcome to Fast Electrical Life. Focus, accurate, safe. Technical tonight. We're clearing up the most confusing topic I keep seeing everywhere. Is there really a rule of thumb for breaker sizing? We're going to compare the so-called rules of thumb electricians use on site with what the Canadian Electrical Code and NEC actually says. Plus, I'll show you real examples from 100 amp and 400 amp installs with proper grounding and bonding. And again, I'm going to start off with a couple of video before I go into the actual topic. So again, so we're going to get into the first video is going to be about some grounding and bonding, disconnect installation, and then we're going to keep moving on for the night here. So hello again and welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. So let's dive right into it. What I'm doing today is going to be an installation. It's going to be the installation of the 400 amp disconnect. The disconnect is mounted already, and what I use for the installation is simply bolts. I made sure I secured the 2x4 on the back end to give it the extra secure to the wall, firm and nice. I don't want the electrical installation to come off the wall in any type or sort. Again, the cable, the electrical conduit that I'm using is going to be the AC conductor. We call it tech cable, and there are parallel runs that's being run from the outdoor meter base. Again, what I like to do with installation like this is I like to make sure that I keep that white sheeting that's there on before I like to keep it on once I land my conductors inside of the panel. I'm going to remove that white sheeting. I also make sure to put my ground bushing on first. This installation is going to come with the ground bushing connection. Reason being is the ground wire has to be grounded off to the actual ground clamp. Ground connection has to be grounded off. I have to make sure that, as you can see in the on the left hand side, you're going to see the other installation. You're going to see my wire is grounded off onto the ground bushing. It is in code compliance. It is a code rule that states that. It is inside of the electrical code book where you would find it. You just have to search. And again, if for all those who are pretty interested in the video, all the apprentices out there, all the journeymans, all the master electricians, DIY guys, homeowners, if you ever need to find out a code rule and you simply cannot find it, you can simply leave a comment in the comment section, and I would guide you through the process. So again, the installation reason that the disconnect is here and not the 400 amp panel is because of the code rule that states anything that's within 5 feet of the electrical panel of the meter base shall have a installation of the panel right away. But when it comes to any installation, electrical installation that's more than 5 feet away from the actual electrical disconnect that's located outside of the home, it has to have a means of disconnect. So the main electrical 400 amp panel is located inside of the electrical room, inside of the basement of the home, and it's more than 40 feet away from the meter base. So the reason is I have to install my disconnect per code to stay within my electrical code compliance. So as you can see, the reason why I stated that I like to keep the white paper on is it simply helps with the cable. As you can see, the cable is locked in place. Once you disassemble that, it gives you a lot more problems to get the cable inside of the connector. So again, that's why I always make sure I land my cables inside of the disconnect, inside of the connectors, and I make sure that I remove that. Then what I go ahead and do is I simply ground off my I do my groundings. So this is a grounding and bonding installation. There are two different things when it comes to bonding and grounding. Serve two different applications. So never get that confused. Also, you're going to see I have my phasing tape on my cable. Reason is this cable does not come with identify neutral, and in the code book it simply states that your incoming neutral has to be identified. There is a rule where you electrical code rule, code compliance, that states that a particular size of cable we must identify up to. So this is what I am doing here, identifying my conductors with the white tape that is being used. It's always best to have also your line and loads coming in to be separated. Never have them touching each other. It is a code compliance rule that states that your feed that's coming in, your main feed, is not supposed to come in contact with your actual load side that's going out. So for this reason, you're going to see the installation. I'm also going to be using my flat screwdrivers, Robbie screwdriver. Most of the time in this installation, I use my bigger screwdrivers to get the full torquing. Again, also what I like to use is my Milwaukee drills. Very handy, never fails me, gets the job done on a daily basis. Also, set of Allen keys is what is required. A lot of times I use my regular Allen key sets for installation like this. When it comes to the outdoor meter base, I often use another Allen key. It's more of a bigger Allen key that I have. Hopefully I can get to show you guys that on one of my videos. It comes in handy, gets the job done, helps with the risk a lot when it comes to the installation. So again, also this is a part of my videos. There are other videos that I have out there that are has the full installation when it comes to landing my wires. It does have the full installation. You just have to check through my videos to find the other part of this installation. There are many other parts to it, about 3 or 4 other videos that's there. And again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning into Fabian Electrical. And again, don't forget to like up the video. You can also subscribe to the channel, or you can also become a member, and I will catch you guys on the next installation from Fabian Electrical. So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, today's live stream, we're going to be going over some grounding and bonding. You saw me just showed you the electrical room. So reason that it was placed there was simply because there is a rule that states if your panel is 500 feet away from the axis, you have the disconnect. So dive into the actual topic, the rule of thumb topic here.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault, and whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up.
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to stream. Please and thank you. Very important.
this wire. I'm going to the back of the panel.
So again, what this is it's a 100 amp panel. I'll get done. Yeah. Say, yeah. What panel? It was 400 amp panel. This is yeah. Sorry about that. StreamYard booted me out. So from time to time, I'm going to get booted off StreamYard. So I'm going to have to. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live. Please and thank you. Very important. And I'm going to try to find the same video, but and again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. So again, hello, welcome back to Fabian Electrical Services Inc. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. And again, what I'm doing is grounding and bonding. There's going to be some topics about breaker sizing, also rule of thumb, which I'm probably going to get into after this video. So again, for all those who are tuned in to the live stream, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can be of the channel going to section, and you can also like and share the live stream. Helps with the algorithm.
Again, also this is
So again, this is a 100 amp panel. It's being added in the home, and because